How to edit duration of photos on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to edit duration of photos in TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into my TikTok app on my phone. After that, I'm going to click right here. Now when you're in here, simply click where it says effects. And now we need to choose the green screen effect because that effect will give us the opportunity to edit duration of photos that we select. So choose this effect right here. Now what you will be able to do is to simply choose a photo in here that you want to edit the duration on. So when you have found a photo, then you will need to click right here to start recording. So just hold the record button for how long that you want, and after that you will get the photo in the length that you recorded. So this is exactly how to edit duration of photos on TikTok. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.